Welcome everyone to this course, and this video is the very first video of this course where I'll be talking about what you'll be learning in this course. So this is a course which is about YouTube SEO. That means search engine optimization. If you don't know what's search engine optimization, I'm just going to give you an example. You can see these videos here. This is my channel, and let's take this video, flag animation in Adobe Flash. So let's go to new incognito window so that I'm not signed in. Let's go to YouTube again, and let's see. I'm gonna search for a keyword here, which is flag animation. Okay, so when I type this and click enter, I'm gonna see some videos here, and let's see, where's my video. Here is my video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th video is mine. Okay, so this is where I'm ranking right now. Sometimes this can go to 4th, 2nd, or even 1st. It's just that I'm not going too far here and down here. These are the videos that are not ranking well. So whenever someone types this keyword and tries to find a good video, it's more likely that the person who's searching for the video is likely to click these videos, the top ones. They're not going too far down, so you want to rank your video on top. So that's what SEO is about. So this course is about YouTube SEO, not Google SEO. It's quite similar, but we're just focusing on YouTube SEO. You're gonna learn how you can rank your video on top while people search for a certain keyword on YouTube. So this is what this course is about. So I'll tell you briefly what are the things you'll be learning in this course. So you'll be learning about titles and descriptions. You'll learn how to write good title and description, what things you should include in title and description, and how to tag properly. And also you'll be learning how you can keep your audience engaged through comments, how to trigger people to comment on your videos, how to increase the number of subscribers, and one very important thing, how to get your videos into the suggested videos. So these are the things you'll be learning in this course. If this is what you're willing to learn, then welcome to this course. I'll be waiting for you in the next video.